12 Incredible Uses and Benefits of Vicks VapoRub. You almost certainly recognize Vicks VapoRub, at least visually. It is a well-known non-prescription ointment that contains active components such as camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus oil. This product has been commonly utilized for over 100 years to alleviate coughs and colds, but there are numerous other ways it can be used. In recent times, the popularity of Vicks VapoRub has grown, with an apparently infinite range of applications. Here are some of the most effective methods for utilizing this remarkable ointment, which may convince you to always keep a jar at hand. 1. Relieve sore muscles and joint pain. If you wake up with muscle soreness and joint discomfort, instead of reaching for pain relievers, try applying Vicks VapoRub directly to the area that hurts. This method can be particularly beneficial if you've been exerting yourself through exercise or dealing with pain due to an injury. The menthol in this ointment assists in relaxing muscles, while camphor produces a warming sensation that helps decrease inflammation and stiffness. 2. Eliminate ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs can be both irritating and painful. They may also become infected, so treating them promptly is important. Applying Vicks to the affected skin can prevent infections and promote the hair's emergence from the skin. Its hydrating properties also help relieve the itching and irritation that come with ingrown hairs. 3. Combat foot fungus. Fungal infections on the feet are very widespread, yet many individuals are unsure of how to handle them. Surprisingly, Vicks VapoRub provides an easy way to deal with this issue. This therapeutic ointment has long been used to address conditions such as athlete's foot and toenail fungus because it is highly effective. It has also been shown to work against other fungal infections, including ringworm and jock itch. Simply apply it twice daily for 2 consecutive weeks or until the infection disappears. 4. Reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Stretch marks are depressed streaks that form on the skin's surface, often resulting from rapid weight changes, pregnancy, growth spurts, and other causes. They frequently appear on the abdomen and thighs but may also develop on the arms, breasts, and buttocks. Fortunately, Vicks VapoRub can help diminish these marks. Gently massage a small quantity into the skin twice daily after showering or bathing. While it takes time for stretch marks to become less visible, trying this simple approach might be worthwhile. 5. Discourage your cat from misbehaving. If you own a cat, you are likely familiar with the frustration of their scratching and marking behaviors. It can be very troublesome, but there is a way to manage it. Vicks VapoRub can serve as a deterrent to keep pets away from certain areas. If your cat tends to scratch furniture or urinate in unwanted places, try applying a bit of Vicks to those spots. Alternatively, placing a small amount of the ointment nearby can also be effective. The strong scent will discourage your cat from returning to those areas. 6. Soften dry and cracked heels. Having rough, cracked skin on your heels can be uncomfortable and even embarrassing. Fortunately, smoother feet can be achieved by using Vicks VapoRub. Its moisturizing effects make it a great solution for dry skin. Simply apply a small quantity to rough patches, wear clean socks, and leave it on overnight. By morning, your feet should feel softer and more hydrated. 7. Keep mosquitoes away. Mosquitoes can be a real bother, turning warm weather fun into a frustrating experience. However, there is a simple solution that may help with this problem: Vicks VapoRub. One of its main components, camphor, has been recognized for centuries as a natural insect repellent. Just apply some of this ointment to your skin before heading outdoors. The strong scent of camphor will help deter mosquitoes or at least reduce the number that bother you. Additionally, this product can provide relief from itching caused by insect bites. Rub a small amount onto the affected skin, and within minutes, the itching and burning sensation should decrease. 8. Minimize acne breakouts. Acne is one of the most frequent skin concerns, affecting individuals of all ages. It can leave behind scars and marks that are often difficult to remove. Vicks VapoRub serves as a fantastic remedy for clearing up skin blemishes. Its anti-inflammatory components help diminish swelling, redness, and discomfort, while the camphor and eucalyptus content work to eliminate bacteria. If you prefer not to invest in costly skincare treatments, this is an affordable option. Simply dab a small amount onto acne spots twice a day until they disappear. However, keep in mind that for severe forms of acne it is advisable to contact a professional dermatologist. 9. Ease headache pain. That all too familiar sensation of an impending headache can be difficult to ignore. As it intensifies, it becomes harder to focus. If you suffer from recurring headaches or migraines, Vicks VapoRub may be a useful home remedy to consider. The menthol in this formula assists in reducing inflammation while also promoting relaxation. Apply a small amount to your forehead, temples, and the back of your neck. If necessary, reapply after 20 minutes or wait until the discomfort subsides. 10. Aid in healing minor cuts and scrapes. If you are looking for an alternative to Neosporin, Vicks VapoRub is a great choice. It functions as a topical antiseptic, making it suitable for treating minor wounds and scrapes. Its active ingredients work together to fight bacteria and accelerate the healing process. Additionally, the menthol component helps numb pain and reduce swelling. Simply apply some of the ointment to the affected area, cover it with a bandage, and let it take effect. 11. Soothe a dry scalp. If your scalp is dry and flaky, Vicks VapoRub might offer relief. It serves as a natural remedy for dandruff and other conditions that cause itchiness and irritation. Massage a small amount directly onto the scalp, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash your hair as normal. For greater benefits from its anti-inflammatory properties, you can also leave it on overnight. 12. Silence a noisy door. Few things are as irritating as a squeaky door, particularly when you're trying to sleep. Luckily, there is a quick fix for this problem. All you need is Vicks VapoRub. Apply a small quantity to the hinges of your door. This will serve as a lubricant, allowing the door to open and close smoothly without making noise. As demonstrated, Vicks VapoRub, a long-standing household staple, continues to offer a variety of practical applications. Its versatility is so impressive that you may find yourself wondering how you manage without it. Why not give it a shot? And if you know of any additional ways to use Vicks VapoRub that weren't mentioned, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, consider giving this video a like and sharing it with others. If you'd like to see more videos from us, subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss an update.